right, y'all. Lee here, getting ready to do her own oil change. You ready? Don't look like it. May I offer a suggestion?
Take this off?
No.
This is it right here.
Take the cap off up top.
What?
Take the cap off up top.
The cap is on.
No, it ain't. I put it back. The back of the car in. You got it. There you go. All right, just set it right here. Right here. So it don't fall inside the grill. All right. All right.
Yeah.
She went right to it, guys.
What you
No, you know good well you can't take that off with your hand. You got to get a wrench now.
I'm already on this
I'm gonna
car.
cheat and tell you guys where it's at, what size it is. It's a size 14.
No, this ain't no wrench.
Yeah. The magic bag. There she go, guys. You know what a 14 wrench is. Atta girl.
Oh.
All right.
Oh.
Let's pause for a second. All right. Do it. Tap on it. All right. Recuperate.
Stop.
Recuperate. You sound like you're pooping.
It's so aggravating.
You can do it.
What if the oil come out on my hand and it burns me?
It's not gonna burn you. This car's been sitting.
Look, my body pushed me all the way outside the car.
Because you need to eat your vegetables.
What do you mean? You can't do this, Daddy.
You can do it.
You can't do this, Daddy.
Do it.
Oh my goodness.
Bro, give me this. Give me this.
I'm struggling.
Hold the light.
I ain't need a 16.
You don't need a freaking 16.
It's tight. I put it the wrong way.
There you go. Here.
Little ugly.
Here. Shaking
give
my
up.
head.
I give up.
There ain't no give
I'm
up.
already messing up. Do you
All
see?
right, be careful.
It's gonna burn me, ain't it?
No, because you're gonna make a mess. Now take the wrench off because you don't need it no more.
Wait,
Just take it off.
hold
It's not gonna pour out yet. You ain't gotta hold it. Now spin it out. Now the goal is to pull the drain plug out without it getting all over your hand.
How
So
am I gonna do that? This way?
there you go. You see, you got sense. You need no help.
I feel like it's gonna burn me, bro.
It's not.
It is.
No, it's not, girl. I told you it's cold.
How is it cold? The car is hot.
The car's not hot.
It run hot.
Yeah, it run hot, but it cools off, right? No, man, push it back because it's going to scream out. There you go.
I'm so scared. Oh my goodness.
Don't drop the drain plug in there, please.
Oh my goodness.
Please don't drop the drain plug in there.
Oh,
$20 says you drop it in there.
I probably am.
Come on. Do it. Holy smokes. She caught it.
Oh my.
She caught it. Yo, you're already like 100 times better than a lot of GSTs I know. Oh my God. Yeah, that needed to be changed.
It's black. It's the color of the pan.
It's not that black.
It look like it. Unless my eyes are deceiving me.
Your eyes are deceiving you.
Oh, because it's low-key brown. Ew, it looks like coffee.
You drink coffee that black? You nasty.
You better hush if there ain't no sugar or cream.
I'm pretty sure.
I need some energy.
This is disgusting.
Wait, I gotta put this back or I pour the new oil, then put it back.
What? If you pour new oil, what's gonna happen? Answer your own question.
Not applicable.
It is applicable. If oil is inside it right now and pouring out.
I know. If I pour the new one, we gonna be back at the store buying a new one.
Cause it's gonna what?
Be no more.
Pour back out, fool.
That means there ain't gonna be no more oil.
Yo.
You see, it sound like a Keurig.
It does not sound like a Keurig. Quit comparing your oil pan, draining oil to a Keurig. Because I'm telling you, if you think this is coffee, that's disgusting. Alright, that's good enough. Put it back in.
Don't you gotta pour it all out?
You'll be here for days. Nobody ain't got time
Look
to
like
spend
it's
an hour
stopping.
on a $60 synthetic oil change.
Wait, hold up.
Now be careful, because you don't want to cross thread that. You don't need two hands. If you can't put it in with one hand, then it ain't going in right. Oh no, do not put that wrench on there to start that. No.
There is a tightening way.
Okay. Let me
It's really
see.
tightening. My hands is like super oily right now.
That's not the case. Hold the flashlight. You just need to maneuver it around. I can't see from there. Only you can see from there. You just need to wiggle it around until it threads in. Because what you fixing to do is cross thread the pan, and I'm gonna be out here replacing an oil pan. Alright, now it's tight. Now you just gotta put a wrench on it.
Yeah.
Flashlight.
Oh, I thought I almost got stuck.
Does it feel tight?
Yep.
I ain't worried about you over tightening it because you couldn't unbreak it, so. You couldn't break it loose, so I ain't worried about you over tightening it.
It's not even funny. You're ugly behind.
Oh, shoot. Alright, girl, that's enough.
Oh, you're not worried about me over tightening.
What you still cranking on it for?
Because trying to put
Get a
it
rag
on.
and clean it up a little bit. I'm proud of you.
I can get a job.
You can get a job. Anywhere. Literally.
If I don't know how to change oil, now you need to teach me brakes.
You're moving a little too fast, Grasshopper. Alright, guys, we're not replacing the oil filter because we have an oil filter that's good for 10,000 miles. And since it's good for 10,000 miles and the oil was only good for 6,000 miles, we're going to leave it in there until next oil change. Alright, Lee, let me get you some more light.
I'm good.
Oh, you are good. Okay.
Need the oil?
Alright.
Where's the thing? The filter thing.
The funnel?
Got it. This is easy. $20 oil change. Anybody come get at me.
So you want them to spend $20 on oil or $40 on oil and then pay an extra $20 to come see you?
Yes.
Wow.
I I ain't gonna say $10.
That's so non-competitive.
I ain't gonna say $10. I'm downgrading my work.
I like that. I like the way you think. Y'all hit us up in the comments below. Hey, careful, slow down. You don't want to overfill.
Yeah, I see.
Well, not overfill, overflow. Y'all get at us in the comments. If you want Lee to come change your oil, comment $10. Comment $10 below. Man, I'm telling you, she done already did pretty much the whole oil change on her own. If the car was up on a lift, Lee, you would have broke that loose, honestly.
Yeah.
You was just in a bad position.
I really was. I couldn't even. It was going the right way. It just, I don't know. I couldn't let it loose for some reason.
Nice and slow, it's too much. Don't do that like that.
I know I do my own oil change.
Man, focus before you make a mess.
This is actually the cleanest oil change.
Oh, you
It's
almost
clean.
messed up.
No, it's clean. Cleanest oil change. I almost messed up in the beginning.
How you almost put that dipstick in where you putting the oil right now?
Yup.
Wow.
I swear that's how you check the oil.
That's how you check the oil? You put the dipstick
I thought you did
where
that.
you pour the oil in?
Because I looked at the shape before I put it in.
You looked at the shape.
For real, for real?
Dude, the only thing that go in there is oil. That's why there's a dipstick in the first place, and that's where it sits.
I ain't know that.
She tried to put the freaking dipstick inside of the freaking hole. Like, yo. Come on now. Put your cap back.
It's like a gas thing.
It's not like a gas thing.
You don't hear the click?
No, it ain't gonna be no click. On some of them you do though. Make sure you tighten that nice. All right. Use your rat to clean that up. Best part about being a tech is being clean as far as the car goes.
I'm a very clean tech. Holla at me if anybody want to hire me.
Lee's looking for a job, y'all. $10.
This was actually really easy.
I know it's really easy.
I thought this was more.
That's why that's the least you could do.
No, teach me brakes. It
You
looked
ain't
easy.
even replaced the oil filter yet.
Okay, but
You about to see if she leaks. Okay. Okay. All right, turn it off. Now what you do is you check your oil level. Put the keys in your pocket, ma'am. Here. You gotta pull it out slow. Whip it up. Wipe it. Because all that is just the car running with the dipstick in it. Now we're testing to see what the level is truly undisturbed. And we are on a flat surface. We're inside the garage. Now you see the two dots?
mm-hmm.
You see where the oil is on those two dots?
Mm-hmm.
It's in between those two dots. Now flip it over. We inside the dots, so we good. Pop that joint back in there. Close the hood, ma'am. You are officially a master tech. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Taught Lee how to do an oil change. She can do an oil change whether I'm here or not.
Dope.
She got it. She has it, guys.
Dope.
Furthermore,
Ain't nothing.
it ain't nothing. She got it. All right, y'all guys. We'll holler at you in the next one. All right, guys. Real quick note. if you would, if you're real supporters, I need you guys to go and subscribe to me and my wife's other channel on YouTube, Life with Q and Lee. All the information, all the details and descriptions and stuff like that will be in the description box down below. I really need you guys to go and like, comment, and subscribe on our latest videos. And if you guys want to keep up on, you know, what me and Lee got going on. I greatly appreciate you guys tuning in today's video. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.